Hey Denise, it's Kim coming from Vinci Major Worldwide Headquarters, my basement. Just wanted to show you how to fold the skirts. Thought maybe this would be easier than just doing snapshots. It's really very simple, and of course I'll include everything that you'll need, including this very authentic piece of cardboard that helps me fold the skirts. So piece of cake, I'll have the tags and the beads on the skirts for you. First thing I do is simply tuck the drawstrings into the skirt, flip it over so that the button sides are down and the back tag is up. And then I lay the cardboard down the center of the seams. There's two seams that you'll be able to see here there. And then I just fold one side over, fold it back so it's within the width of the cardboard. Fold the other side over, fold it back, pull the cardboard out, which usually is simple. And then at that point you just fold this in about 1/3 of the way and this in about 1/3 of the way, the two ends, and then flip it over. And then that's where you would tie the ribbon around, stick it in the bag, and label it, just like you do with the tops. Don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. Thanks. See you later.